The World Cup final is coming to New York and New Jersey, but the real story begins long before kickoff.
All right, move the next barrier
This is
into
not
position.
just a match. It is one of the biggest urban operations
Watch the gap on the
Earth.
left side. Setting it now.
2 states, 1 final, and millions of moving parts. The first challenge is not the stadium. It is getting everyone there. The stadium must transform from an American sports venue into the center of world football. The pitch is one of the most important pieces of the entire project.
Hold this edge
Every
tight.
seam, slope, and blade of grass has to be ready
Applying
for the
pressure
final.
now. Check the alignment.
If the field is wrong, the world will see it instantly. The field has to look simple, which means the engineering has to be brutal.
Reading is
A
1.2
final
degrees
can be
with
decided by
intolerance.
inches,
Noted.
so the surface must be precise.
Moving to the next section now.
Some areas must be adjusted so the soccer pitch can meet global standards. A World Cup final is also a global broadcast machine.
Is
The
feed
game
line
will
3
be
active
watched
yet?
around the
Just
planet,
connected it
so the
now.
broadcast
Power
system
cycling the
has
B
to be
unit.
massive.
We need that signal stabilized in 10 minutes.
Hidden under the seats, miles of cables carry the final to the world.
Security
From
feed
one
stable
room,
at Sector 3.
operators monitor the stadium
Acknowledged.
like a living
Dispatching
machine.
medical team to Section 212. Stadium systems are green.
But the hardest part may be outside the stadium.
All stadium
Thousands
shuttles
of
this
fans
way.
will
Let's
start
keep it
their
moving,
journey
folks.
inside packed city transit hubs.
Have your passes ready straight ahead for the Metro Transit Center.
Special shuttle systems become part of the match day infrastructure. Park and ride zones help move fans without flooding the stadium roads.
Traffic flow
Roads
is currently
must be managed
optimized
like
at
arteries
85%
feeding a giant
efficiency.
machine.
We anticipate smooth arrivals at the stadium for the next hour.
Every delay has to be predicted before it becomes a match day problem. The crowd is modeled before it ever arrives.
Step through the scanner,
Humanity
please.
reduced to dots.
All clear. Keep
Efficient,
moving.
mildly depressing.
Next person, come ahead.
Tickets out, please. Have your tickets
Entry
ready.
has to be fast, safe, and easy
Next
to
two,
understand.
straight ahead through the scanner. Keep the line moving.
All right, the ramp is
Safety
secure.
planning is designed to prevent chaos.
Easy does it
not
now. Watch
create
the
drama.
threshold.
For a global final, even the signs become infrastructure. The system must work for every kind of fan. Safe walking routes are built like temporary streets. The fan experience starts before anyone reaches their seat. New York and New Jersey are not just hosting a game, they are hosting a global street party. Fan zones help absorb the energy of people who never enter the stadium. Temporary cities are built just for the tournament atmosphere. Feeding a global crowd is its own logistics operation. Even a fan zone depends on hidden electrical systems. The glamorous side of the World Cup still produces mountains of trash. Humanity remains consistent. Hotels become part of
This
the
way
match
for
day
parking
network.
lots B.
The
Terminal
final
1 through
begins for
3,
many
right
fans
here.
the moment they land.
Please have your tickets ready.
Airports, hotels, trains, and stadiums must work as one system. The region's bridges and tunnels become part of the final's hidden machinery. Behind
We are initiating the
scenes,
south corridor
multiple
diversion at
agencies
0600
coordinate
hours to
every
clear the
movement.
venue access routes.
Copy that. We'll secure the arena perimeter accordingly.
Make sure the
Medical planning
pediatric
is
supplies are
built in
clearly marked.
quietly before
Will
anyone
do.
needs it.
We should be fully stocked in 10 minutes.
Some roads must stay empty so the entire event can stay safe. Weather can change everything, from traffic to pitch conditions. A final cannot stop just because the sky gets dramatic. Rude, but possible. The pitch has to survive heat, rain, humidity, and heavy use. Every light must work for players, fans, and cameras.
Check 1, 2.
Sound has
How
to
does that
reach
sound down
every
there?
seat without overwhelming the broadcast.
A little hot on the left side, bring it down slightly.
The screens guide fans, entertain crowds, and support match operations. Tens of thousands of phones can crush a network unless engineers prepare. A modern final runs on bandwidth as much as concrete. Every second at the gate matters when the crowd arrives in waves. If you enjoy hidden engineering behind global events, like and subscribe for more mega project stories. The final is rehearsed like a mission. Volunteers become
Okay,
the
team,
human
let's look at the
interface
route
of
map.
the entire
We need to
system.
direct all traffic flow towards Section C and ensure the security protocols are followed.
When
We are
fans
here,
get
so
lost,
just
the
follow this
infrastructure
walkway
has already
straight
failed a
ahead,
little.
past the fountain, then turn left at the main gate.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Retail spaces are rebuilt for a global audience. Inside the stadium, food logistics run like a factory. Supplies enter through hidden doors, while fans see only the show. The stadium has a hidden city underneath it. Player areas must meet global tournament standards. Every room behind the pitch becomes part of the final.
Even the officials rely on a web of hidden technology.
Cut to the
Video
wide
systems must be tested from every possible angle.
angle. Great tackle there in the midfield. Let's get a replay ready.
The world does not just watch the final, it watches through engineered viewpoints. A global final also needs a temporary newsroom. The story after the match needs its own infrastructure. After the final whistle, the operation moves into the corridors. Premium spaces must be redesigned for global guests and sponsors. High-profile arrivals require separate traffic systems. The venue is divided into zones, each with its own rules. Thousands of people need permission to enter different parts of the machine. Teams need more than the main stadium. They need an entire support network. Even practice fields must be tournament ready. Team movement is planned minute by minute. The team's journey to the final is protected from street-level chaos. The city itself becomes part of the event branding. In New York, even the billboards join the operation. Subtle? Never.
across the river, New Jersey becomes the physical stage of the final. The stadium district must absorb one of the world's biggest crowds. Parking lots become temporary transit terminals. Rideshare areas need strict design, or they become instant gridlock.
The final preparations.
Check the
happen
signage
while
alignment
most
on level
fans are
2.
asleep.
Looks good. We're finalizing the seating
Cleanliness
checks
at
now.
this scale is logistics pretending to be housekeeping. Every system gets checked before the world arrives. On final day, the region wakes up as a global host. The real test begins when the first wave of fans reaches the gates. A well-designed concourse keeps the energy moving instead of trapping it. The stadium becomes louder with
The
every
energy
minute.
is building as fans rush in. We are moments away from the
This
start
is the moment
of the
all the
pre-game
hidden
show.
work was built for. The final is played on grass, but delivered through
Switch
technology.
to camera 4 now. Get me that tight shot of the foul. Switching to 4, replay coming up.
Even after the
seeing heavy
whistle, the
congestion on the exit
operation
routes.
is not finished.
Pushing the green line extension now. Hold that, we have a signal
Moving
failure near
people
the
out
stadium.
safely is just as important as getting them in. The final ends in waves of buses, trains, and carefully timed departures. When the fans go home, the
Keep
hidden
it tight to the
workforce
wall. Watch
keeps
those
moving.
cables. All right, I got it. Where's the forklift?
Even after the final, the field still needs care. The global broadcast machine folds itself back into trucks. The temporary city begins to vanish. What remains is the stadium, the city, and the memory of the biggest match on Earth. New York and New Jersey did not just host the final, they engineered it. Like and subscribe for more hidden engineering behind the world's biggest events. Because behind every unforgettable final, there is a machine most people never see.